In it to win it. Without question, every single person reading this or hearing this is trading to be a winner. After all, who enjoys losing in anything? Sure, society has turned to participation medals just for showing up, and it doesn't even matter if you actually gave any effort. In the end, though, being number one is what it's all about, and there's only one gold medal available. Now, watch the sadness on the faces of players in the NFL who come second place in the Super Bowl. Look at the body positions of NHL players who end up watching the other team parade the Stanley Cup around. Losing hurts. Looking at trading, you'll either win, lose, draw, and most people will say they love their winners, but they hate their losers. Trading losses not only means you were wrong on a particular trade, I'll get to that, but it also took away the commodity that we all need to place a trade, money. When our account runs dry, so does our trading business. This fear of losing money causes people to do silly things like cut great trades short, or even worse, talk themselves out of a legitimate trading opportunity. Now, those traders who've succeeded on levels most can only dream of may have different trading methods, but one thing that most have in common is they embrace their trading losses. They actually have become great losers. They don't fear the losses, and in fact, the outcome of a single trade is not something that they really care about. Now, does that sound crazy? Losses are a part of trading, and they're going to come in random fashion, regardless of any method or style of trading that you do. On a side note, your trading system must have an edge. You never truly know if this trade is going to win. You have the probability behind you because you do have a trading edge, right? But in truth, you're never 100%. Accepting that you will suffer trading losses multiple times in a sequence is one huge step to moving yourself into the realm of the chosen few who survive this rough and tumble world of online trading. Look at each loss as the cost of doing business, much like any business that must buy raw materials to manufacture goods. That loss will eventually lead to profits. Understand, though, that accepting the outcome of any one trade with the attitude of don't care, it doesn't mean you can slack off on the other aspects of trading. You must stick to your trading plan. You must manage the risks of what you can control. And you must shed hope and fear. Now, here's a question for you. I'm not going to answer it. Variables have lined up according to your tested trading plan that signifies a trading opportunity. You get triggered into the trade, and the outcome is a losing trade. Were you wrong? Accepting losses is just one part. Accepting your losses quickly is another part. When your trade is going against you, and what got you into the trade is no longer present, get out. While many traders live on the hope that the trade will rebound, the others don't have that word in their vocabulary. Hope has no place in trading. Now, there are times that price action is clear that the market's direction is not going to be in your favor. If you've worked what adverse price action looks like into your trading plan, you must abide by your rules of exiting. After all, that is part of your edge as well, right? You can't hear it enough. Take your losses. Love the losses because that exit, that proper exit, will save your trading account. One other great thing about getting out of trades that are not going as planned is freeing up of capital. If I'm in a trade that's not performing, my capital is still tied up. By exiting something that is failing, I now free the capital to engage in another trade that is setting up according to the plan. Now, there will be times when you exit and the price rebounds. Yes, that is going to happen. But the beauty of trading is that as long as you have capital and a signal to enter a trade, you can simply get back on board. Now, it's easy to write about trading losses, but as the reader or the person listening to this, you have to truly understand what the loss means and how it serves your overall goal of trading success.